This is a pretty nice plant for subtropical gardens. This is a type of ginger, a type of hardy ginger. This is Hedychium coccineum terra. It tends to show up a little late. You usually don't really start seeing it until sometime in June, and then it grows on, and kind of late August, early September, you will start to get the flowers. It grows to about 6 feet tall. It's hardy to zone 8, zone 7, high into zone 7. I mean, maybe worth a shot. It's generally regarded that you should mulch these heavily in the winter to protect the rhizome. I have mulch here, but I just chop them back, and they seem to come back every year. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 flowers this year. So it does spread with time, so I'm sure you could divide this and create new clumps, but just getting a little bit closer here. The leaves are kind of thick and strappy, almost like a banana. Obviously not quite as big. And what I see is it always grows on this kind of like angle like this, and then the flowers pop straight up. The hummingbirds do like it. I think this is quite a tropical looking flower. Like I said, it is deciduous. It can take some frost. I usually end up cutting it back when it starts looking bad. I'll just cut it right to the ground, and then usually starts to make an appearance sometime in July, and it isn't until later in the season here that you get the flowers. It's got a faint fragrance to it. I was just smelling it. It's quite nice, actually. I did see some insects on it, and with the shape, the hummingbirds like it. This is the first day that I've actually been able to come out here because the smoke's been so incredibly bad. It's still here, but not too bad today in comparison to what we've been dealing with. But I'm gonna head inside after this. But it's quite a nice plant. I'd recommend it. I think it's pretty easy to find. I've seen a lot of garden centers around here, so there is a white version. I do have it. I had it in the ground, but it's called Dr. Moy, I think. And that one's supposed to be quite fragrant. I have it in a pot, so it hasn't flowered yet. I just haven't found a place to put it, but you will find some other ones. I think another one is Green Eye, and that one, this was what this was supposed to be, and that one actually has on the underside leaves, instead of green, it would be a red color, and that's a pretty nice one too. But yeah, try one in your own garden. Hardy ginger, and this one's Terra.